Bosio soroboti nondo mwanchu murigeria mwaziri mwanene Musalia Mudavadi itkoria aroni gaikira na Bosio bw'ebunge Senate KOIRANERIA AMABORIO igoro yokubwatirana higati ya serikali ya kaunti ya Nairobi abiga serikali ENENE Muske Mudavadi niga tuguteirare chinkuma bunanigo serikali erengete koira higati yemerobiri ya serikali ya kaunti ya Nairobi hasebono atebire okubwatirana kwabo ngamono kwenekya bunangusira na barasi au gwikirania okarari borobi ya sabananchi.
This is a transfer of functions, because what you are implementing or you're proposing is to implement Article 187 of the Constitution. You are implementing Article 187 of the Constitution without agreeing to it that you are implementing it. Because one, there's transfer of function, there is funding of this project, there is coordinating of these projects, and there is implementing.
This is a 2-year program. So what happens after 2 years? What's a long-term plan for this kind of intervention? Because we require this city has to be improved. As you rightly said, the city needs a lot of interventions.
The difference in this is that this is a cooperation agreement and it is not a transfer of functions. The NMS was a transfer of functions. This one is not a transfer of functions. It is purely around